There is a city built on a promise that seemed impossible at first. A city that rose from the desert and changed the world very fast. It built the tallest towers, biggest malls, and most luxury hotels ever. It told people, come here, spend here, and nothing will ever stop. That city is Dubai, and for years the world believed this dream. But now something is changing, slowly at first, then much faster. Some famous places are going dark, some closed for repairs or unknown reasons. Others are shutting down because of problems no money could easily fix. One by one, famous landmarks are losing lights and becoming strangely quiet. This silence is new, and people in Dubai were not ready for it. This is not about small issues or normal maintenance work in buildings. This is about cracks showing in a system built on huge ambition. It is about a city based on image facing a reality it never planned. And one place on this list will truly surprise you the most. It is not small or unknown, but one of Dubai's biggest symbols. If you like deep stories like this, consider subscribing to the channel. We explain big changes happening in cities, economies, and industries worldwide today. What is happening in Dubai right now is a very important global story. These are 5 famous Dubai landmarks closing down and raising serious questions. People everywhere are asking one thing: is Dubai starting to struggle now? Number 5, the Dubai fountain goes silent and shocks many visitors. This fountain was built as a symbol of beauty, power, and endless energy. It sits below Burj Khalifa and stretches across a large artificial lake. It became one of the most famous attractions in the entire world. Millions of tourists watched its water shows with lights and music every night. For many visitors, it was their first and most memorable Dubai experience. The area around it was always full of life and busy crowds. Restaurants, shops, and hotels depended heavily on this daily visitor traffic. It was free to watch, making it special for both rich and average tourists. It became as iconic for Dubai as famous landmarks in other cities. Then in 2025, the fountain suddenly shut down for major repairs. The base had cracks and needed a full rebuild to stay functional. The lake was emptied, and the whole area looked strangely lifeless. For months, there were no shows, no crowds, and no excitement there. Many businesses nearby lost income during this long shutdown period. Even after reopening, another closure was planned again soon after. This showed the fountain was aging and needed constant expensive maintenance work. It was no longer a perfect symbol of something permanent and flawless. This was the first sign that Dubai's famous attractions are not invincible. Even the most beautiful spectacle needs money, time, and constant repair to survive. Number 4, Dubai Parks and Resorts faces serious long-term challenges. This was built as the biggest theme park destination in the region. It opened with huge expectations and global brand partnerships across multiple parks. The idea was to compete with famous places like Orlando in the United States. It promised a full entertainment experience for families visiting Dubai. But reality was harder than expected for this massive project. Visitor numbers were lower than planned for many years after opening. The location was far, making it difficult for tourists to reach easily. Extreme summer heat also reduced visits during important travel seasons. Financial losses kept growing as the parks struggled to fill capacity. In 2023, one major park closed permanently, showing deeper problems. It was replaced with a new concept, but the message was clear. Not every big idea in Dubai works as expected in real life. Then in 2026, regional tension caused temporary closures across all parks. Visitors arrived to find gates closed and plans suddenly disrupted. Workers depending on daily visitors also faced serious income problems. Many were already earning low wages and needed steady tourist numbers. This project shows what happens when ambition grows faster than real demand. The future of this large entertainment complex is now uncertain. More closures could happen if conditions do not improve soon. Number 3. Dubai Mall faces a major drop in retail activity. This mall is one of the largest and most visited in the world. It has over 1,000 stores and attracts millions every year. Luxury brands saw Dubai as a key market for high-spending tourists. The whole system depended on constant global travel and visitor confidence. In late 2025, some big brands started closing their stores. High costs and lower foot traffic made business harder to maintain. Then in 2026, the situation became much worse very quickly. Tourism dropped due to regional tension and travel warnings increased globally. Foot traffic fell sharply, especially among high-spending international visitors. Sales in luxury stores dropped between 30% and 50% quickly. During key shopping periods, sales fell even more compared to previous years. Some global companies temporarily shut stores across the region. Even major tech and fashion brands paused operations in Dubai. The mall, once always crowded, started to feel unexpectedly empty. This shows how dependent the system is on global perception and tourism. When confidence drops, everything built on it weakens very fast. The mall is not just shopping space, it reflects trust in Dubai. And when that trust shakes, the effects spread across the entire economy. This is a serious warning sign for the city's retail future. Number 2. Ain Dubai stops turning and becomes completely silent. This giant observation wheel was the tallest in the entire world. It offered stunning views of the city and became a new icon quickly. It was built to attract tourists and support nearby businesses on the island. For some time, it worked and brought visitors in large numbers. Then in 2026, the wheel suddenly stopped without clear explanation. No detailed reason or timeline was given to the public. Bookings were cancelled, and visitors were asked to reschedule or refund. The silence around this closure made the situation feel more serious. Nearby areas also became empty without the usual tourist crowds. Workers reported entire days without customers or any income. Restaurants, shops, and activity providers all felt the impact immediately. This showed how one attraction supports a whole local economy. When it stops, everything around it also struggles to survive. The still wheel became a symbol of a city losing momentum. Number 1. Burj Al Arab closes for the first time ever. This is one of the most famous buildings in the world today. It represents luxury, ambition, and Dubai's global identity perfectly. For over 20 years, it stood as a symbol of success. Its unique design made it instantly recognizable everywhere. In 2026, it announced an 18-month full closure for renovation. This was the first time in its history it would shut completely. Officials said it was planned, but timing raised many serious questions. Tourism was already falling and hotel bookings were declining sharply. Airlines reduced flights and travel warnings increased across many countries. Even this powerful symbol could not stay open during this period. The closure affected workers, businesses, and investor confidence immediately. For many people, this news felt bigger than just a renovation project. It showed that even the strongest icons are not fully protected. This was a major turning point in how people see Dubai today. So what do all these closures really mean together now? Individually, each case has a simple and reasonable explanation. But together, they show a clear pattern forming very quickly. A system based on tourism and image is facing serious pressure. Dubai is not collapsing, but it is being tested like never before. The real question is what happens next for the city. Will tourists return with the same confidence as before these events? Will businesses recover and workers regain stable incomes again? Or will Dubai need to change its model to survive future challenges? That answer will shape the future of many cities like Dubai worldwide.